For making Oreo cake, you will need Oreo crumbs. Add milk until you get this consistency. Add Eno. Add milk so that it's activated. Mix it. So I have multi dry fruits. Dry fruits are optional. If you want to add, you can add. So over here, I'm gonna add some cashew nuts. First I will chop it and then put it. Mixing a little. After that, take a cake mold, grease it and put your parchment paper and then grease over it. So that our mold, also that our cake is demolded. Batter consistency would be like this. Tap it so the air pockets are released. Preheat a big saucepan for 15 to 20 minutes and then place a heat-proof stand. Put your mold. Adjust it side to side. Cover it. I'll suggest to take a big cover so that the gas is not released. So approximately 25 to 30 minutes are done and I'm gonna just check it. This is perfect. If it's wet, so you can just put it for 10 to 15 minutes more. Cut its edge so that it's demolded properly. It comes perfectly, so spongy and perfect. Decorate your cake. It's up to you. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get a little more help and yummy delicious recipes. Please subscribe to my channel. That's up to you. If you want to decorate it, you can decorate it, or you have to put some sprinkles and all that.